Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a new video and a very much needed update on Solana. Because yesterday we talked about this and yesterday I was technically still bullish on Solana. For the reason that we were at a pretty significant support level, Bitcoin was at support, so I thought, we can at least find support here. And then potentially, like I wasn't fully bullish. What I said is that, all right, well, if from that support we can break above 150, then we can continue to be bullish and get up to 157.5, 160, 162, basically up to the next resistance level. But what happened in hindsight is that, yeah, we found some support there, but that just went up to 147, retested there, and it basically turned into a huge sell-off into 140. Which we already said that, if we could not find significant support at 144, the bull trend was over, and then it was still a possibility, or at least we talked about that, that we could consolidate around 140. But what you see with Solana is basically the same as what you're seeing with Bitcoin, is that we are getting some huge sell-offs. All right, you have these huge positions being closed, or at least quite a lot of Solana being sold. I think that's the better way to say it, in a short period of time. And then you can also see right here that Solana against Bitcoin was at resistance yesterday. We already knew that, but what we thought is that, if Solana is able to hold this support level, we potentially could break out. In the end, that broke out, or at least in the end, that respected resistance. So that's a bearish confirmation as well. This is no longer bullish. So for Solana, the situation has changed quite a bit. Now, do I think we are fully bearish yet though? No. All right, because if you zoom out, I would actually argue that we are still, like, higher time frame, we're still in a consolidation here. All right, we're still consolidating here between 125 and this level here at 160. What I do think, however, is that this move right here up to 155 is the top we made. Unless Bitcoin bounces soon, which is going to be very, very hard with the selling pressure we have right now, or at least with the bearish pressure we have. Unless Bitcoin bounces, I do think that with this breakout below 140, it's most likely will drop down to the bottom of the consolidation. And that makes us short-term bearish. All right, I think long-term, like I said, as long as we're holding that level at 125 and 120, as long as we stay above that, technically we are actually still, neutral. We're neither bullish nor bearish. But on the short term, what I've always said is that if you look at this consolidation between 157 and 120, 140 is the main level in the middle that's kind of regulating everything. So this breakout below this level, in combination with, by the way, like I said, there's been a real sell-off with Solana as well. If you look at this, for example, you can see that that we got some big liquidations yesterday, but we got some major position closes basically since yesterday morning. So Solana has also lost a lot of momentum. A lot of shorts are being opened right now. So some sort of a squeeze up I do expect, but then that squeeze up with this momentum I don't think is enough to really push us above 140 again. I think something like this is most likely for now. All right, so some sort of a squeeze up, but the only way, look, we could turn bullish here. It would be unexpected, but the only way to do that with the fact that Solana against Bitcoin is also getting weaker, right? So Solana depends more on Bitcoin. So technically what we would need to do is break above 142 and 140. And the only way I think that's a possibility for Solana is if, let me quickly adjust this. The only way that's a possibility is if Bitcoin is able to get a breakout here. And there's no indication of that. All right, so if that changes, and I'll keep you updated on this in my middle of the day market update. If that changes, I'll let you know. But for now, something like this with the shorts being opened, bit of a squeeze, but then due to the market in general and the momentum loss, bearish continuation, something like this seems most likely. But those are my thoughts. I'll keep you updated on this. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.